Assalamu alaikum. I am Hania Khalid and I belong to a middle class family. I started my journey in Danish back in 2017 and since then I have learned to fly. Today I stand tall with multiple laurels and stars on my shoulder and I am ready to face the world. I am a position holder in Matriculation Board 2022 and I have won multiple awards at national and provincial levels, including awards in debates, dramas, and creative writing. Recently, I just won first position in intra-board debate competitions that were held by inter-board community in Islamabad, and I represented Punjab there. When I came in Danish, I was nothing but a diamond in the rough. Danish brought out the talent in me and polished my talent like they polished a diamond. Today I've learned how to communicate and how to excel in this world. The encouragement and support that Danish has given me have really taught me how to step in the practical life and own the world. Thank you so much to Danish for this opportunity.